How to delete EA account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your EA account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to delete your EA account, just go to help.ea.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to help.ea.com, under game support you'll see many games, but since we want to delete our EA account, we have to select the EA account in this case, as you can find here. So make sure to select EA from here. Once you select EA account or this EA logo, right over here you can see top topics in the EA section. In this case we'll select see all help topics here. Once you select see all help topics, we're going to be able to see more help topics, where you have to simply look for the topic called I want to delete my EA account. As you can see, I've already found it here, so you have to look for this option as well. Once you click on I want to delete my EA account, you're going to be taken to this page where it will give you the instructions on deleting your EA account. But what we're going to do is we have to simply contact the customer care to delete the EA account. So here you can see chat with us button. Make sure to click the chat with us option here. Once you click on the chat with us option, a live agent is actually going to get in touch with you. So first of all, make sure to basically fill out a form, enter a subject such as closing your account or anything, click on send option. Once you've done that, just let the live agent know that you would basically like to delete or close your EA account and what are the further instructions on it. This way you'll be able to delete your EA account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.